Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to watch, register, and add a custom domain to your WordPress.com website. If you've ever wanted to make your website look more professional with your very own domain name instead of the default WordPress URL, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to register and connect your domain in just a few simple steps. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. You'll then see a few sign-in options. For most people, the quickest and most secure way to log in is by selecting Continue with Google. When you click that, a list of your Google accounts may appear, especially if you're signed into multiple ones. Just pick the account you want to associate with your WordPress site. This links your WordPress account with your Google credentials, making it easier to manage everything under one login. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, the main control center for your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't before. You'll be spending quite a bit of time here as you manage your website. Now, to start the process of adding your domain, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the Upgrades section. This is where WordPress lets you enhance your site with premium features, including custom domains. Click on Upgrades, and from there, select the Pull Domains tab. You'll now be on the Domains Management page. Here, you can see any domains currently connected to your site and, most importantly, the option to add a new domain. Go ahead and click on Add a Domain. This will open a new window where you will be prompted to type in the domain name you want. For example, you might enter something like *mybusinessname.com *, or any name that represents your brand or project. Before moving forward, double check the spelling carefully. A small typo here can cause problems later on, and domains can't easily be changed once purchased. Once you've typed in your desired domain, click the Select All button to confirm your choice. Next, WordPress will show you the available options, such as different domain extensions like .com, .net, or .org, along with the pricing for each one. Choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. When you've made your decision, click Purchase to proceed. This will take you to the checkout page where you can securely complete your payment. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. After the payment goes through successfully, WordPress will automatically link your new domain to your website. And that's it. You've just registered and added a brand new domain to your WordPress.com site. From now on, visitors will be able to access your site using your own custom web address, making your brand look more polished and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and share it with anyone who might be setting up their first website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we'll dive into more ways to customize and grow your WordPress site.